Hi Home Chef, welcome to the Walk Life. I'm Will and this is my playground. In this Just Trader Joe's video, I'm going to make a very simple yet delicious dish, and all it takes is a little bit of TLC and you have a nice meal in about 15-20 minutes. So I'm going to be making lemon pepper chicken. It's one pan, goes into the oven. You don't even have to go into the actual oven. It can go into a toaster oven and you'll be good to go. Trader Joe's does have these lemon pepper seasoning blend, but I'm gonna go just a little bit extra today for this dish. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with toasting some pepper, and I want to do it in a dry pan. No oil, nothing, in a bit of a medium heat. So while that's toasting the pepper, be nice and toasted. Just keep an eye on it. I'm also going to zest the lemon and use it later. I think you definitely want to do this first, so you don't do the juice later and not going to be able to do the zest. Wow, the zest really smells fresh. It's good to go. And for the chicken, it's a boning skin on. You can do boneless, skinless if you like, but I do really like the fat that renders from the chicken skin. I'm just gonna do cuts around the bone just to make sure that it will cook more evenly even when we throw it into the oven. Just like that. You know, since we're almost here, I can just take the bone out. It's pretty easy. And you can keep the bone in the compost or making stock or whatever soup you have, just throw it in there. That's what I normally do. The chickens are ready. Let's check on this pepper. You can smell it's coming through and it's ready to be picked up. I'll go ahead and get the pepper out. I'll just put it along in the lemon zest. I'm going to crank it up to medium heat, and we're going to start with the chicken skin side down. You do need a little bit of oil. You don't need too much because it's going to render, but you do need a little bit of oil to get it started on the process. The pan's hot, it's ready to go. That's a sizzle you want to look for. And we're just going to let it render for a little bit. And once the skin turns crispy brown, then we can send it into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, the skin side is golden brown. Whoa, almost charred. I'm just gonna sear on the meat side. It doesn't need to be cooked all the way. We'll finish it in the oven. Got a nice sear now. It's ready for the oven. Here we go. Going to keep the skin side up so we don't lose that kind of crispiness. And we'll pour away this extra excess chicken fat. And you can use it to stir fry vegetables and really add nice flavor because we don't need all this fat for the sauce. So 10 minutes and we'll be back and make the sauce. The chicken has been in the oven for about 10 minutes and it's ready for the sauce. It's coming out nice and golden still. You can still see the chicken is still crunchy. I don't know if you can hear the noise. But let's get the sauce started. We are going to start with the medium to low heat. It's gonna be very delicate, so we can put the chicken aside. We have our lemon from earlier. There's a little handy juicer here. Just gonna juice out. You can choose however much lemon you like, and pepper. Quite frankly, it's up to you. This is kind of my style. I like it quite citrusy, quite peppery. You know, it is lemon pepper at the end of the day. There we go. We got about 1 lemon juice here. Once the pan is ready, we can put the zest, the pepper that's been toasted, and the juice back in there. We're also gonna get a little bit of salt. I use a little bit of sea salt here. All right, the pan is hot. Everything goes kind of back in there. We still have the fat from earlier. I drained out most of it, just a little bit in here. And we still have a little bit of the brown bits from the chicken. Whew, the pepper. And now we can just add in the juice. And it will deglaze the pan as well, very nicely. It's boiling now. I'm just gonna let the extra moisture to go off and we'll be ready to go. Just gonna give it a little bit of taste. Nice citrusy, peppery rice seasoning. I think we're good to go. So I'm not gonna dump the whole thing on there. I'm just gonna grab a spoon, kind of drizzle it on there. And that is the lemon pepper chicken. Let's give this a little taste. There's already a piece that fell off, so I'm just gonna do that. The chicken is so tender. The lemon, the pepper really comes through. Just about the right saltiness. Perfect day. Or perfect way to end the night with a little bit of a lemon pepper chicken. Maybe that'll give you a second wind to keep going and enjoy the evening. Thanks for dropping by. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. And until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life. And we can just add in the